How to Shazam on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now type Shazam and click on search. Now tap on Shazam and tap on install. Now wait for some time. After installing, simply tap on open. Now give the permissions. Now tap on Shazam. Again give the permissions. Now go back to the home screen and open up Snapchat to play the music. Now tap on Shazam notification. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.